Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna see how we can apply the open work permit under the new process of TR to PR pathway. So before I proceed further, please subscribe to the channel to support it. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So this is a new process that has been launched, so we are going to discuss about this, and all the information that I'm going to say, it's already available, so you can check it out yourself because I have already opened this official site. Like on this official site we have the information who can apply, uh, when you can apply, and how to apply is really important, and that we are gonna go through it. Who can apply? To be eligible, you must meet 5 requirements. Must live in Canada. You must have applied under one of the temp resident pathways, so I won't go into the details of these. This is all available to you. When you applied for PR pathway, you were legally authorized to work with one of these. Okay, language requirements, so we know that language requirements were asked, so it's fine. Immigration status, have valid temp resident status. When you apply, and this is for work permit, your work permit eligible to like you should have valid temp resident status. You have applied to extend your status before it expired. You maintain the status and you are eligible to restore your status. Okay, your family members in Canada. So this is about family members who can be included. You are eligible for an open work permit if you meet all of the following. You are spouse, dependent child of the primary applicant. You must be 18 years of age or older. You are in Canada. You apply online. The principal applicable applicant is eligible. Of course, then only the spouse can get included use as an accompanying family member in the PR application. So if you have not included, you cannot apply. This is for the family members. Okay, no problem. When you can apply, if you have a valid work permit, you can apply up to 4 months before your current work permit expires. Your family members can apply at any time. Okay, that's good. All other applicants and their family members, you can apply at any time if any of these apply. All right, how to apply? You must apply online. For open work permit, you can't apply at a port of entry. Family members can apply at the same time. Okay, if you can't apply online, then there is another process. We won't go into that. Let's see the details. To apply, you need, of course, digital documents, credit card. You gotta pay the fee. You are exempt from paying this fee. You must pay work permit processing fee. Okay, now it says you need to pay your fee before you apply online. How to pay your fee? If you have a valid temporary status, go to fees, scroll down. So you need to pay the fee first. I won't go into that. Create your account. So we know how to create Gckey account. Submit your application form, check your status. How to start up to Canada. Okay, make sure you answer these questions correctly. You would like to work temporary more than 6 months. Student workers must select worker and then ask what is your immigration status. For student, this is temporary measure while we update the application system. So even if you are a student, here you need to answer worker. Okay, answer yes when asked. So they have given the questions all here that we'll go through, and then we will see. I am applying for under an active public policy of pilot program announced by IRCC. This is the same thing that was shared earlier when that they announced 18 months of postgraduate work permit process, a new process. When they announced, they also asked to select the same option. Answer no, I am exempt from paying fee for the application to the question. Okay, then fill the forms and go for it. So even for filling the form, they have given instruction 5710, open work permit, job title and brief description. Job title, okay. Brief description, duty box, enter the name of PR stream. Okay, there were 4, and this is a sample. Duration of expected employment, enter the date you would like to start work and start date. And for in date, the date is given, and you cannot ask for date beyond the expiry date of passport. So yeah, passport validity is really important. Copy of fee receipt that you paid earlier and other pieces of information. Okay guys, now let's go through Gckey account and let's see how this wizard goes place. But before I proceed further, I would like to say whatever information I'm going to discuss, it's already available over here. There is no legal advice in this. This is just the personal information that is readily available online, as you can see. Now let's go to the Gckey account. Alright, so I have gone to the Gckey account and we will follow the steps that they have said. So we'll sign in with Gckey. I'm going to enter the credentials. Okay, so we have gone to the Gckey account. Now we are going to follow the steps. So what they said, first click on apply to come to Canada, and they said nothing to enter in personal reference code. So I am assuming like fee is already paid and you got the receipt. Okay, so this is the option they said. Now let's go back, and like it's always good to refer this all the time because you would like to see that you are doing it correct. Okay, the SS have selected work. This is work permit, so definitely work. Next is you would like to work more than 6 months. Of course, like if it's December 2022, definitely it's more than 6 months. Select the code that matches. This is personal question, so I'm just selecting India. What is your current rate? If you're already in Canada, select Canada. So they have already set in the condition you gotta be in Canada. And guys, again I say I'm not an immigration consultant or a legal authority to do this. This is just I'm doing based on my knowledge and research. So if you're taking any content out of this video for your real application, it could be proved wrong or correct, and I take no liability or guarantee of that. It's totally up to you. This is just I'm sharing what is available in the public domain already. Do you have a family member who is a so it's up to you. Like if it is there, select yes. If no, select your date of birth, of course. So I'm giving, what should I say, let's say 1995. Is this a good year? It is. Let's say March. Click on next. Are you a green card holder? Let's say no. What is your immigration? Yeah, so they have given some information. What is this? Even for students must select worker, and workers definitely will select worker. So whatever it is. So for this question they said select this one. I'm applying for under public policy or pilot program. So select yes, just re-verify it. So let's say somebody who's doing this is single, so no, spouse no, click next. Oh. But it's a matter set, so let's say this guy is unmarried, so never married, single. Province of destination, let's say Ontario. Next. So what are the options? Open work permit, yes. Now checklist time. We again need to follow what they are you accompanying. Let's say this is no in your case. when does your student's calendar expire? So right now we are in July, let's say it is expiring in September. Just an example, you need to answer based on your situation, and they have given the time when you can apply on the first page itself, so make sure you follow that. So September 10, yeah. Let's say no, you haven't gone for it in last 12 months. Have you lived in designated territory for more than 6 months? Let's say no. Let's say you have been continuously in Canada. Last year very few people managed to go out and come back because of COVID issues. Do you want to work one of these jobs? Let's say no. Do you want to submit for an application for a family member? In this case, let's say no, because he's not married. Someone access to application? No. Have you given biometric last 10 years? Yes. Okay. This question, for this question there is one point here. Answer no, I am exempt from paying fee for the application. So I have to select no. Next, because they have asked you to pay in advance. Are you able to make digital copy? Yes, that is how you can apply online. Alright, so on this page, review all the answers that you have put and match it with what they have given in the instructions page. Click on continue. After you verify, if you want to change, go ahead and change. Now this is going to populate your document checklist. Click on continue. Okay, so the checklist got populated. IMM 5710 main form, then passport, proof of fee exemption. There you need to put that. They have already said that. Digital photo. They have also told you like what do. And client information, like client information, although this is under the optional section, you have to provide some documents. Even without submitting it, you will be able to proceed, but that may create some issue. So they have already said what you got to do. In client information, proof that you were allowed to work, they have asked earlier in this page, and language test result. So both you need to attach and make sure, and there's only one attachment you can attach, so you must combine and upload. Copy of your passport, digital photo, family information form, copy of fee receipt, and fee receipt you need to upload under proof of fee exemption. Okay, so now it's pretty clear, and even for filling up 5710, they have given information that you must select this. Alright, so I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching, guys. Again, I am not an immigration consultant, so this is just based on my knowledge and information that is readily available on IRCC site. I just showed you how to use it, and there is no legal advice in this video. So and moreover, if you take anything out of this video and use it for your own your actual case, I won't be liable for any outcome. Thanks for watching, guys.